friends, this is Easter or Anything collaboration. Our host is DIY with Aria, Lodi's Creations. Our guest host is CJ, DIY, and Milo DIY. Please check out their channels in my description box and the playlist for more great content. Okay, I found these at the Dollar Tree, and I thought these would be adorable on top of a set of candle holders. First, this is an evergreen. You're like, that isn't spring. Well, it'll look like grass. You just wait. I'm going to just spin this. And then I'm going to take this in and tuck it under. And it makes a little round bed of grass. And if you want it bigger, you could just add here and continue. You could even make a placemat if you wanted to out of these and make it look like a bed of grass, but we're just needing enough to make a bed of grass in our container. Okay, we're gonna add some glue here. And this is cold temperature glue to make our bed of flowers. And here's the embellishments I got. I have some glittery birds, some carrots, got some tiny mushrooms, and I found these flowers. Actually, this is a great deal. If you haven't been to Walmart, don't bypass Walmart for floral. I got this huge bunch of flowers, which there's a lot on there, a lot you could use. And they were $5.99, which is pretty inexpensive compared to some of the other places, and they're beautiful. So don't bypass Walmart on their floral. But I'm gonna do these, and I'm gonna do two different ones. One's gonna have a bird. And these birds, if you wanted to, you could repaint them and take the glitter off. But you know, I kind of like the glitter. Especially the pink and the blue ones. The green ones I think is kind of weird, but I'd repaint them. This is just off that pick. I may cut it in half. I'm going to cluster 3 of these mushrooms together because you know they're not substantial. No, that's too much. There is our bird with our mushrooms and our little flowers. Okay, we're gonna work on the next one, and I gotta add some ribbon to that one. Add some hot glue. In this one, the carrot's gonna be in this one. I'm not gonna add the bird, I'm gonna add a carrot. Oh! I'll have to clean that off. This is cold glue, so I'm not getting burnt. You could put whatever you want in there. If you want a little bunny in there, or whatever you want. I have a bunch of these little black and white bows. I may just add that to the top. And that is our first easy peasy Easter spring DIYs. This is a cold glue gun and it's not hot. Therefore, I can put my fingers in it. I use this when I know I'm going to get my fingers in the glue. It saves me a lot of pain. Okay, I played with it till I got it to here. Now we have to add our ears. Okay, here's our final reveal of our DIYs we made. And the biggest thing is these, you don't need to put very much stuff in there. If you put too much stuff in, it looks overcrowded. Because I know I tried to put too much in. There's our little bunny coaster. I thought this would be cute for maybe a tablescape. Or on my dining room table. These would be even cute on a mantle. Tell me what you think.